It's Wednesday, January 8th. We got the doors in. Some of them. Let's go and check with Bobby J, the man with the master plan. Look at him.
You know, hold on, let me get my map.
He's always on the phone. He's always busy. He's either writing a text or receiving something. And it's all from all 16 mistresses. No, I got it on tape and I'm sending it to
I got one queen.
Isn't it a sweetheart? Hey! Tall and handsome's over here working in the spackling.
Yeah, don't be reading the graffiti on the walls.
Yeah? Oh, really? Does it spell my name correctly?
Henry loves you, Bobby J.
Ah, look at this. Nothing but love in this house of love. Bobby all over the place.
I don't know what this Antojito is. What is that nickname?
Antojito.
I
Antojito.
What is the name?
Anthony.
Oh, I love it.
Right?
What does Antojito mean?
Look at her. She's being painted right now. We got the prime over here. All right, throw the flex over here. Look at this. This is the guy that built the studio. You think that he's a little guy, but he packs.
You know you're wearing her jacket.
No. Is this my jacket? I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, so we're painting her off. In here, smells fresh. That's the old fireplace over here. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave it as a souvenir.